Okay, so I wanted to show you how to link your Facebook business page with Instagram. So you're gonna go to business.facebook.com, and then you're gonna make sure you are logging to the right pages. So I'm just gonna use one that I already have before. This is not my Voyage by Luna. This is my Luna Online Marketing. So I'm gonna use that. And then go to so click on that and then continue. I'm gonna hit continue again, and make sure you are logging to your Instagram one. So I'm gonna switch to the other one. So you have to create an Instagram account first to do this one. So make sure you do that before. I'm just gonna log into my Luna Online Marketing one, and password. Let's log into that. Okay, the email is correct. What's the password? Let's see. Login. Okay, so save that, and then log in as the new Instagram page. Continue, and then it should be there now. Come on. Okay, so connected, we are good. Then as you can see, you have the Facebook business page and the Instagram page one. Now let's just create a quick post so I can just show you. Okay, you see here, right here, you have you can uncheck them if you want. If you don't want to post on both of them, maybe, but that's what we are here for, to post one, and it's gonna go to both of them. So I'm just gonna do, oh yeah, and you can also customize Instagram caption from Facebook caption, so you don't have to use the same thing, or you can do both at the same time. You don't have to do that. So let's go and create a quick post, maybe a graphic for the page that I'll show you. So let's do affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's do that. Affiliate marketing, just tips for beginners. Oh gosh, I cannot write today. Hold on. Come on. Just big beginners. There we go. And don't mind that magic design thing. Sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's just all over. It's AI, so it's not perfect. So I'm not gonna even look at them. I will just go down here on the template and just choose a quick one. Let's just okay, I think this is good. Let's use this one. Okay, customize this. Okay, so says the benefit of affiliate concept. That's true. That is true. That is true. And yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and download it real quick. Download. Okay. Now it's downloading. You're gonna go back to our Facebook, to our business page, meta one, and then add photo, and then get that. So now it's gonna be here, and we're just gonna create a caption. Let's go to chat, just type something so you can give us a good caption. I'm just gonna do a caption for a short caption, create a short caption for a graphic post. Affiliate marketing for beginners, maybe. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, we can also make it like one for the Instagram and then one for Facebook. So let's do that. So we can like customize the caption too. And definitely add hashtags. Okay, that's good. Instagram, add hashtags. Okay. So now we're done with that. Let's just copy this. We'll go to our Facebook, paste it there, fix this. Go back, get for the Instagram one. That's good. Same thing, click on the Instagram, paste it on the box. And fix this. Okay. So it says ready to turn your let's do 1, 2, 3s. And so over there it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Set up ABCs. You can change that and definitely delete swipe, whatever. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, we have both in there. Okay, and now we can schedule the post or we can just publish it. So you can schedule the dates and the time, you can change it, and you have like a whole not 29 days, like 30 days a month that you can go ahead and schedule. And with Meta you cannot go above 29 days, so I have at least a whole month that we can schedule ahead, which is really cool too. So you can change the date, you can change the time. It doesn't have to be the same for both Facebook and Instagram too, and you can always check the active times. Okay, but we just gonna go ahead and post this one now. So toggle that back and then do publish. Okay, publishing. Okay, so it's here. Let's go to our Facebook business page and just check it out. Okay, it's right here.